Hi gentlemen, welcome to our Improvers Partner Work Tutorial 2, men's footwork. So I will be just focusing on our footwork, guys, okay, through the whole routine. Let's begin. So starting on your left foot, guys, on your basic step, you're going to step forwards and together, and on the right, step back and together. On the left, forwards and together. Cuban turn now, guys. We're going to hook, step and land. One open, back and together, guys. Turn, back, forwards and turn. We're going to turn the ladies out, across, pivot. Now around the world, guys, you're going to hook behind with your right, step forwards on the left and together. On the left foot, we're going to cross over in front the right, step back with the right for 2, come together for 3. Now the ladies are on our left hand side. We are going to turn, but we're going to step out to the side on the right instead of back. We're going to step in place with the left. We will be ducking under the arm, but because I don't have a partner right now, I'm going to stand straight up and push off and rotate. Now we're going to turn the ladies on the left, stepping out, across and pivot. Before we open, guys, bring the ladies round. So we're going to hook behind on the right, forwards on the left and rotate to face our partners. On the left foot, we're going to turn the ladies, stepping out, across and pivot before we turn for ourselves, guys, back, forwards and turn. Now moving again on the left, out, across and pivot and enclose, back and together. Now this time, guys, I'm going to do it in full motion with the count, okay? So starting on the left, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, Cuban turn, 5, 6, 7, open back. Now we turn, 5, 6, 7, ladies turn, 2, 3, guys hook behind, 7, cross, 2, 3, step out and turn, out, across, pivot, open, round we go, turn the ladies, 2, 3, guys turn, 6, 7, ladies turn, 2, 3, and back and close. Well done, guys. That ends our second week. Well done. See you all next time.